Boys and girls, what's up everyone? Welcome back to this daily video. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Binance, Cardano, and Matic, guys. Matic network is currently up 33% of the day, or in the past 24 hours, which is big. One of the biggest moves we've seen in quite some time. I would say in about 2 months, guys. These are big moves we're seeing in the market right now, and this is only because Bitcoin is up. So we're going to dive in real quick, start off with Bitcoin and see what's up, what we can do over here. Starting off with a daily time frame. So first of all, on the daily time frame right here, let me remove this drawing real quick and these drawings and these lines. Having a look at the exponential moving average. Yes, we are coming back to retest the EMA ribbon. That's number one. Okay, so we are not bullish yet, just yet, guys, just yet. So we have to be patient and see what we're gonna do over here, because it's very possible Bitcoin comes back, retest 32,000, and we essentially get rejected again. Another thing we have right here is we have a very, very key resistance level at 31,299. So it's very possible that we come back and retest it. As you guys know, in all my videos, every time there's a breakout or a breakdown, we usually come back, retest the resistance or the support, and essentially come back down. So can this be the dead cat bounce essentially before coming back down to 24,000? Very, very possible. But we're going to have to wait and see if we could essentially come back above this resistance, essentially. Another thing I want to have a look at, guys, is Matic network, guys. 22% since the new daily candle started, which is massive. Another thing, we had a massive move right now, and these lines, actually, I put these lines a few weeks ago, and I said that my Matic network target would essentially be around this region, the 7178 and the 44-cent level. And this is exactly what's happening. Look at that. We came back to all the way 58 cents, approximately 59 cents. And we were coming back up. And why? Because of this support right here. We got support right here, and we essentially have a support right here. So this is a good buy region in my opinion. And for those of you guys who bought, that's great. You guys can make a short trade, maybe sell at the EMA ribbon, which is at 93 cents. Having a look at BNB, guys. BNB. Another thing I want to have a look at is BNB. We saw a nice little, we are making some sort of higher highs over here, as you guys can see. Boom, 1, 2, 3. So can we essentially see a nice little symmetrical triangle forming if you guys do count essentially the, if you guys do count not the exponential moving average, the wicks. Sorry, I know a lot of people don't like to count the wicks. But even if you don't count the wicks, we could do something like this, and we essentially broke down a bit. But now, counting the wick, guys, we are still bouncing up and down between the triangles. So we're going to see a massive breakout. Very possible we come back to the 307, 310 level before coming back down and essentially breaking down. Now, the reason why I am negative, or at least more negative than positive, is because Bitcoin is in a bear market, at least on the short to medium term. And it's going to be, and it's been ever since we broke the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame. So it's going to be very interesting to see with this move. Everything at the end of the day is going to depend on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin breaks down, we will essentially, the whole market's going to come down. If Bitcoin breaks up, we're going to essentially break up. Having a look at Cardano, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. We've just been consolidating. Like, look at this. Are you kidding me? Like, Cardano, like, it's building very strong support, guys. And my last video of Cardano, I did say that we might make a double bottom here. And it would essentially be a double bottom confirmation if we essentially break above the 1.42. So it's going to be very interesting to see if we can essentially break above that level. We do have strong resistance right here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 we just built. And I guess you can call even these things right here, because support flipped to resistance and resistance flipped support. So you could even call this whole line right here at $1.42 very strong resistance. So it's going to be very tough. But on the good news, guys, is that we also have a strong support right here at $1 exactly and 2 cents, if you want to be exact. We do have some support right here, 1, 2, 3. We got 4, we got 5, 6, we got 2 wicks. So we have a nice little base and now a nice little rejection. So we do have a nice little base forming right now on ADA Cardano, which is very good moving on forward. That means I don't see Cardano moving down farther, unless, of course, otherwise Bitcoin breaks the 20,000, or I don't know what, if Bitcoin breaks below 30,000, 28,000. So if we see Bitcoin essentially break below those levels, I wouldn't be surprised if Cardano made a move all the way back down to 39 cents, because that's essentially where the near support will be. And we also haven't seen Cardano crash as hard as Bitcoin did, essentially. I mean, although we are still down How much would I say? We are still down 57%, which is a lot. Usually when Bitcoin crashes down, 55 to 60%, altcoins usually bleed between 60 to 80%, and for Cardano to see below 60% essentially, it's pretty fantastic in my opinion. So it's holding pretty well. And if we actually have a look at where it is right now, it's actually 53%. And it's very possible we make a nice little tracement to 1.4. Of course, everything's gonna depend on Bitcoin at the end of the day. This is my daily cryptocurrency video today, guys. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.